Hello friends, today's topic is taken from economy. The title of the topic is Would China make internationalization of yuan? What does internationalization mean? It could simply mean more trade and investment transactions are billed directly in the yuan, a Chinese currency. Thus, for example, if Indian company is importing a machine from China, so it could ask for a price quote in yuan instead of dollar and be able to execute the transaction by directly exchanging yuan for Indian currency, that is rupee. The most extreme form of internationalization would be to make yuan a major reserve currency. That means sovereign government would hold their surplus in yuan. Now we will try to explain whether China is interested to make their currency a global currency in near future. First, it is observed that there could be impediments to internationalization beyond a point. To start with, the capital account is controlled and exchange rate is managed by China very tightly. Neither of these things, that is, capital account and exchange rate, is easy to given up or abandon in hurry. Whether it is true that China has made yuan more flexible over the last couple of years, still it is far from being a free float currency. Secondly, a robust currency market cannot exist in isolation. It needs the support of free and flexible financial market, particularly the bond market and money market. China might have undertaken financial sector reforms over the past few years, but much more needs to be done regarding bond and money market. The question is, does it really have the incentive to do so? Thirdly, reserve currency status effectively entails a loss of control over the exchange rate. For a country like China that has long been accustomed to manage the exchange rate, this would be somewhat difficult to accept for China. Fourthly, China is holding $3.5 trillion as foreign exchange reserve. Would China sell off a hefty portion of this reserve? If China sell off dollars in international market, it would affect the interest of America. So, any effort by China to sell a significant proportion would lead to a sharp depreciation of dollar. That would entail a large loss for all dollar holders, including China. Thus, it would be irrational for China to shoot itself in the foot by shifting its reserve away from the greenbacks or dollar. To conclude, to make a currency a global currency, China has to take big leap for which still China is not ready economically, financially as well as politically. Thank you for watching my video.